anywhere you dey for the world. NAIJA na home. Our fine culture, lifestyle, food, passion, NAIJA na still we own. As day dey break, the NAIJA spirits go wake, and wey day don dark, and you think say na to sleep remain, na that time the groove just dey start. Because no matter wetin happen, the NAIJA spirit no go die. This na NAIJA life.
If you look where you go see same where this now, where did they process cassava? And na cassava now be the processing level today. Today make fufu. This na ifelodi for side akute. Now there with this so. And today for the episode with the saunchi as the process we say they make fufu we say every you and I they chop. Also say yes, now also part of NAIJA food. Fufu na our own food, fufu na our cultural food, and we like them and we love them. Me myself and I go for enjoy make a peel the cassava. Also say yes, that's not the processing of making fufu. My name na Kabuchi, and this na NAIJA life. This na my people. This na our community. This na ifelodi community for Akute, where they make fufu, which is part and parcel of our cultural, of our traditional food on side this part of the world. One more time, this na NAIJA life.
NAIJA gets better and very rich food, no be lie at all. And na as our tribe and language take yakpa, na so our food themselves take berekete for grand. That is to say, na orishirishi kind of food we get for inside this country. That is why also, if you look well, you go see say, when you check them and when you look the different area where they from inside obodo NAIJA, you go also see say dem get their own kind of food for that place wey be say na only them dey chop am. Our type of food for NAIJA and the way we take dey cook am na part and parcel of our culture as a people for inside this black continent. And so therefore, for this episode of NAIJA Life wey you dey watch so, I say make we all follow yarn, make we all follow chook eye for top one of the oldest and also very delicious food for inside Naija. This food na fufu. Whether na white and white, loi-loi, santana, akpu or any kind name wey una dey call am for yonder, the thing be say this food fufu na one food wey we all dey chop for inside Naija. However, as people wey dey speak English go take talk am, before fufu go ready for chopulating things with any kind soup wey you want at all, e get some kind step wey e must pass before man pikin go fit take swallow am. So therefore, sake of say I wan make we all follow know as this fufu level take dey be for inside this Naija, na im come make me enter inside the town of Iju-Ishaga, and the center wey dey for inside this Iju-Ishaga na Arowofela Fufu Processing Center, and e dey for Ishaga Ajuwon Express Road, Ogun State, Nigeria. I meet with Mrs. Grace Durojaye. Na she be the madam of this fufu center for inside this town. Na from her many canteens and even families dey come buy fufu to take chop.
My name na Grace Isaac Durojaye. The work what they do na fufu. So I dey for Arowofela processing. For here we dey do fufu. We dey sell both fresh one and the one wey they don't turn. Before you fit chop fufu, na to go farm, go collect cassava. Then once we come house, na to peel am, rinse am, come put am inside rubber, come pour water inside. Na big drum them. Now we dey put am. When we don't put am like that, we go come put plenty water. We go reach like 4 days. By the 4th day like that, we will come throw hose inside. And that hose go allow the bad water to come outside, so that we go fit put fresh water and no go give am a chance to smell.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.